Jai Srimanarayana. 41st sloka of first chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Adharma abhibhavat Krishna pradushyanti kulastriyaha स्त्रीषु दुष्टासु वार्ष्णेया जायते वर्णसंकरः. Om. Always protect women. They are the most powerful instrumental in assuring the everlasting Vedic rituals are kept alive in the families. Sri Krishna Paramatma gives a final message in Bhagavad Gita asking every one of us to surrender to Him alone. Mamekam Saranam Vraja. Now let us give a word to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, O Sriman Narayana, I shall respect and protect all the women. I shall make sure the Vedic traditions are kept alive in the families. O Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you alone. O Srimanarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror Galitam Phalam Sukamukhadamrutadrava Sanyutam పిబత భాగవతం రసమాలయం ముహురహో రసికా భువి భావుకాః. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీసుఖయోగీంద్ర. యం ప్రవ్రజంతమనుపేతమపేతకృత్యం ద్వైపాయనో విరహకాతర ఆజుహావ పుత్రేతి తన్మయతయా తరవోభినేదుః తం సర్వభూతహృదయం మునిమానతోస్మి. నమస్కారం టు నరనారాయణ చతుర్ముఖ బ్రహ్మ సరస్వతీదేవి వ్యాసమహర్షి. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. In Srimad Bhagavatam 8th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Vamana saying to Bali Chakravarti like this, O Bali, Bhudanam is unparalleled one. There is nothing which can be equivalent to Bhudanam. And you should not be thinking that why this Vamana is asking only 3 feet of land. You should not be hesitating, you should not be worrying also. Without all that, you should do this charity of 3 feet of land to me, that I will consider as if you have given me 3 worlds. Like that, when Vamana said, Bali Chakravarti happily saying to Vamana like this, O Vamana, putti nerchukoneno, puttaka nercheno, chitti buddhulitti, potti vaduga, potta nunnavella పూమెలున్ అని ఎలమి ధరణి దానమిచ్చెనప్పుడు. Oh my dear brahmachari, oh my dear short brahmachari, where did you learn all these things? Did you learn after you are born? or you are born with all these smart things. And also I do see that you have so many magics in your stomach. Like that, Bali Chakravarti happily said to Vamana and gave that charity of Bhudanam. The moment Bali Chakravarti gave that charity, all the planets, munis, yogas, siddhas, gandharvas, yakshas, kinnaras, everybody appreciated Bali Chakravarti. They showered flowers upon Bali Chakravarti. And the moment the charity is done by Bali Chakravarti and received by Vamana, Vamana started rising himself, started growing himself. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu Krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishne namarashatravo vinihataha Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 1st chapter, 41st sloka. Adharmabhibhavat Krishna pradushyanti kulastriyaha strishu dushtasu varshneya jayate varnasankaraha. Adharmabhibhavat Krishna pradushyanti kulastriyaha strishu dushtasu varshneya jayate varnasankaraha. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.